poisonous ka na siya?
Ambi pa ka na yung chinilas. Chinilas mo, G.
Ni kumpiyansa nila ati ex nila salin kinara ba ni ikog? Wow, it's a miracle. Oy, ano kumpiyansa? Don't touch, don't touch. That's a pure poisonous. Don't touch, don't touch. Oh, very dangerous. That's dangerous. That's dangerous. That's poisonous, poisonous. Poisonous. Don't touch, don't touch. That's kuan. That's friendly if you see, but that's dangerous.
Kasi mo tutik mo.
It's a stingray.
Yeah.
It's a poisonous.
Yeah, poisonous. So,
Tabang mo kay dili sila.
better safe. Don't touch. If,
Dili man gumawa na sila.
Do you see the tail there?
Oh my God, there's a
Nawa na po day? Ning hide na po?
stingray.
Ato na pong kanas tiil be. Magtantiil ni mo long.
It's poison.